Good afternoon and welcome back to Break Hard Orchard. We just got up here after work today and we are going to try to make a little bit of progress toward getting this SIP panel ready to put in right here. My wife just asked me, what do we need out right now? We need the generator, the
compressor, the nail with the short nails, we need the hose, stitching cord, skill saw, reciprocating saw, hand saw, chip seal, sledgehammer, block to hit with, plates to mount on that, the post base.
I think I got it all. We got about 2 hours of daylight. I'm sure everybody noticed I bought myself a t-shirt just because. Let's get to work, sugar. If you're doing something like this and you're prepping something to take some glue or adhesive or foam, this is one of the handiest tools you're gonna find. It's not gonna replace a broom and dustpan, but this puppy blows stuff out of little crevices. It's amazing. I'm moving the camera because there is a beautiful rainbow right now.
The area that we cut out for the base plate already had a J-bolt in it. I am modifying the base plate to accept that J-bolt to hold it down, but it's offset by about 2.5 inches. So I'm struggling with a very dull drill bit trying to make the hole and modify the plate.
Well, we did what we could get done today. We followed the process that's going to take us to the finish line. Did a lot of the prep work. When we come back here, hopefully tomorrow, looks like the weather's going to be good, we will be able to stand that panel up and get it installed. See y'all then.
Good night.
Hello everybody, and we lucked out and got another beautiful night up here. Actually, the weather's better than it's been in a long time. It's still real hot, but there's a slight cool edge starting to come in, so it's dropping down to the lower 80s. The humidity isn't quite as bad. We are going to try to get this panel stood up here tonight, and I think we might be able to get that done. Not yet.
Oh, no.
you think about that? Not bad for a little bit after the workday house building. A little bit here and there adds up to a whole lot in the end. And that is beautiful. We have one panel left to do. We have one truss left to install, one post left to put in, and then we start moving ourselves closer and closer to a roof. I hear the storm clouds threatening. I'm gonna do a little bit of buttoning up work around here just to waterproof a few things a little bit better, because we've been getting a lot of rain lately. Now, as you can see, this is starting to become a room. Just need one more panel put in place and we are ready to go. Boy, I can't wait. Tired?
Yeah, a little. You're wet.
Yeah, I'm a little sweaty. But we got it done, and that is what really counts. Appreciate y'all watching. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button, share this with a friend. Hit that notification bell so you know when we put up new videos. Come on back and check us out again at Break Hard Orchard.